Hello again, this is Paul Lewis from Puppets and Stuff Puppets. You can find us on the World Wide Web at www.puppetsandstuff.com. We're going to continue now with our puppeteer techniques, and we're going to demonstrate a little bit of dancing that we can do with our puppet character. Now this is where you want to get these arm rods. Okay? Now, a fun little dance that I like to do is I like to take my puppet and bring him a little bit to the left, but at the same time I'm doing that, I'm bringing the arms to the right. Also, I'm keeping his head, trying to keep his head straight. Even though the character's body is moving, I'm trying to keep his head straight. In other words, I'm not doing this. I'm doing more this type of movement. We're also going to add our little bounce. We're also going to maybe add a little bit of body language or expression in his face. Now that's giving him a little type of happy dance. I call it the happy dance. We could also sometimes do something fun with his head, kind of like a little Janet Jackson type of move. A lot of fun, neat things you can do with the puppet as far as dancing. So practice it. You'll get a kick out of what you can accomplish.